I'm going to go fast because I'm at the airport and I don't know if my Wi-Fi will be working, but I have Ethereum here, 5,000 as you see, and I'm going to buy this coin, DeRace token. I'm moving fast. I click the apps and I go to Uniswap. I'll slow down. I just want to make sure that I can buy while I have internet access because at the airport. So I'm not going to use all my ETH. I'm going to use here. I click no liquidity and let's see if it'll go through. I believe in that coin. That coin is fairly new right now, and you could buy it on crypto.com also. Just to let you know, you could buy it on crypto.com exchange. And I believe in the NFT gaming space. Any coin to do with the NFT gaming space, I believe in them all the way up to November 15. I believe I can make 100 to 200% on my money. So I'm going to put in the next, I would say 2 days, about close to $20,000 in this coin to see if it could bring me $40,000 within the next 3 weeks. Okay, so while it's saying pending and things like that, let me show you what it is. My name is Romeo the Professor. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purposes. You can follow me, subscribe, and share. So let me back out while it does that. So you see right here, DeRaceA, it went in. It went in. No, I had that amount already. No, it's right there, 4,958 right here, DeRace. And then if you see, my Ether is there. So let's click on DeRace token. What is it? So I click on it. I click on the graph on the top right hand side, and as you can see, just today alone it did 43%. For the week it did about 114%, and I think it's just going to continue going. For the month, 285%. So I'm just staying in it and I'm gonna ride it. The market cap is not even there yet. So if we look at view on coin market cap, so you can I can take it to the website and show you what it is. So here's the Ethereum contract. If I go to the website right here, DeRace.com, give me a second, it's loading up. You will see here's DeRace, introducing DeRace. We are setting a new standard for the gaming and betting industry. DeRace is a complete NFT horse racing ecosystem where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses with unique characteristics, build your own NFT hippodrome, and make profit while doing it. Read more. Blockchain technology allows transparent race outcomes. So you see all that, okay? Community gain focus. NFT with a purpose. So all these horses, features of DeRace. NFT horse breeding, horse races, okay? Horse betting, in-game horse marketplace. I'm sorry for the noise, but I'm at the airport. I said I had to do this so you can see. Okay, cash flow, value, liquid, revolution. And then I'm gonna show you the team behind it. And then I'm gonna show you their partners currently right now. Project roadmap. You see where they say DeLorean right there? I like that. And then let's see the partners behind it so you can understand. They have partners, DAO Maker, X21 already. They have Chainlink, Binance NFT, Mintable app. So they're huge. I believe in this token. And sorry about the noise. If we look at the all-time high, it's right where it's currently at right now, 276. In August, it looked like the coin came right around August. So let's go back on CoinMarketCap to show you. Okay, so when we look on CoinMarketCap, let's look at the more stats. So volume, market cap, it doesn't even have. So it's a fairly new coin. Okay, so it's fairly new coin. Fairly new. The rank is 2,644. I think that ranking will go up to 500 within the next two weeks. You can buy it on PancakeSwap, Crypto.com, exchange, and more exchanges are going to start picking it up. Okay, so I believe in the coin. My name is Romeo the Professor. Subscribe, share, follow.